Hey, g'day legends, and thanks for tuning in. On this week's video, you're in for a treat. I'm actually getting some much needed work done on the wife's VJ Valiant Hardtop so we can hit the streets again. So do yourself a favour, grab a cuppa or coldie, kick back, relax, and enjoy the video. Alrighty, so for those of you who don't know, who haven't already been introduced to this car, this is my wife's 1974 VJ Valiant Hardtop. It's actually 101 in this spec. It's either polar white or arctic white, I can't remember, but it has the blue and blue interior, which is, yeah, crazy rare. Blue dash, blue carpet, door trims, seats, the whole box and dice. Yeah, so it's actually a pretty rare car. It's got the factory 265 Hemi, Borg 35 auto, vinyl roof, sun visor. Yes, it's a really nice car. So we try and, like, it needs repainting, but we try and keep it as nice as we can and enjoy cruising. It's, yeah, aircon, power steered, auto, so really nice car. So yeah, we'll wheel her in the shed and we'll get this service on this transmission, eh? Alrighty legends, so as you can see, just fired the hardtop up, just pulled out of the driveway. What she's been doing is hanging on to first gear for a long time, especially when it's cold. So looks like what I got to do is pull the extension housing off and fiddle with the governor. So see, it's still hanging on to first. Oh, she just moved in. It's probably because it's a bit hot outside, but when this thing's dead cold, you know, you'll get to, yeah, 60, 70, 80 Ks, or maybe not 80, but yeah, like 60 or 70 Ks an hour before this thing wants to jump up into second gear. So, like I say, I'm gonna get on the hoist. I'll do a service on the transmission while I'm going, and yeah, give that governor a tickle up and see if I can't sort it out, get that thing shifting a bit easier. So yeah, let's I'll turn this boat around and yeah, we'll chuck on the hoist, eh? Alrighty, so we got her up in the air. First things first I need to do is get the drive shaft out of this thing, because obviously I can't get the extension housing off with it in. I'll get the transmission draining as well. Looks like there's a drain bung on it, so I'll get that draining. Once that's done, I'll lower it back down to the ground and I'll support the transmission so I can get the cross member out of it. Once that's out of it, yeah, we'll work towards getting the extension housing off. I'm not sure if I'll do it on the ground or lift it up in the air, because if I lift it up I'll have to support the transmissions some other way because the cross member will be pulled out of it. So, but I'll get it draining, pull this drive shaft out, and then we'll lower it back down, eh? Alright, yeah, so as you can see, extension housing's off, and there's the governor there. I've yet to play around with one of these, but anyway, we're going to learn today. So I'll pull it off and, yeah, pull it apart and see if we can clean it up, see if we notice anything odd, and yeah, get it put back on and get this thing back together, eh? Alright, yeah, so as you can see, maybe you can't, maybe it's not in focus. Anyway, this is the governor. It doesn't seem too bad. It was a little bit sticky when I pulled it out. I took the side plate off of there. There's a bit of crap in there, but it does seem to be operational. Nothing seems to be standing out, but like I say, I don't know if you can tell in those galleys there, but there's a bit of crap. So Gonna give it a big hit with the brake clean it out, and yeah, reinstall it, then service that transmission, eh? Can't see anything else, so give her a nice little drink. Alright, and blow that out, call that good, eh? Okay, so we got everything back together that we pulled apart, drive shafts back in, extension housings on, cross members in and tight. So all we got to do now is drop the pan on the transmission, do a service on it, get it back together, some new fluid, and yeah, take it for a test drive, eh? So let's get this pan off. Alrighty, so let's get the bonnet up on this thing, get some fresh transmission oil in it, probably lift it back up, get the back wheels off the ground, maybe run it through the gears, double check the level, and then yeah, take it for a test drive, eh? Little funnel. Oh yeah, she fits. Some Penrite premium mineral oil, nothing but the best. Not sure how many litres this thing takes, but probably give it at least 3 or 4, I'd say. And looks like she's going to take a while to fill, eh? Alright, she looks like she's on the full, but says to check it in neutral idling, so I think what I'm going to do is just put the last of that in there, and then yeah, fire it up in neutral, and check it when it's running. There it is. And for those of you who may not have seen this car before, this thing's got Holy Sniper EFI on it. Put a 2-barrel Sniper EFI on it, and yeah, made a major difference to this thing, power wise, and the way it ran and all that, like cold start, hot start, all that jazz. So yeah, it worked out really well doing the sniper conversion on this thing. makes it a lot more enjoyable, you know, to take out cruising and all that, all weather. So, alright, yep, let's fire this thing up and see what level we got there, eh? Might just, yeah, take those back wheels off the ground again. Oh, looks pretty spot on. So yeah, we might just leave it at that and yeah, take it for a drive and check it when we get back, eh? That's pretty spot on. Alrighty, so we're on the maiden voyage after yeah, playing with the governor and set. Oh, look at that. She just shifted instantly. That is so good. This thing sort of had a problem. It'd sort of hang on to first a bit and then it would shift into third real quick. I don't know if we fixed that or not, but yeah, it seems to be shifting super nice there now. So we'll just there's third. So it didn't upshift into third too quick then, by the look at that. So yeah, might have a bit of a win with cleaning that governor out. Didn't hurt servicing that transmission. I had a bit of crap in there, like just general wear and tear, nothing drastic, but let's have a listen. Yep, there's third. So yeah, it's definitely not upshifting into third too early, and it's not hanging on to first, so I'll call that a massive win. It's actually shifting quite nice. It's not slamming into gears. It sort of had a bit of habit of, yeah, slamming into gears. So at the minute, oh yeah, like I say, I'd call that a massive victory. So I think the wife's going to be happy about that. So we might end up, yeah, even taking it for a strap into town and giving her a big workout, eh? So anyway, as always, yeah, appreciate you watching. If you like what you see, do us a favour, like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.